Hi guys, this is another video. I've got this recently purchased vintage EUMIG P8 projector, which I have inadvertently loaded the film incorrectly, and so I'm getting this flickering on the screen, as you can see there. Okay, so what I've realized is, let me just use freeze frame here. I've used these marks to show you. I've loaded the film too tight up against the gate, whereas it should be like this with space at either side, as indicated on the machine itself. And try again. You can see I've got it loaded again. A bit of a excessive on the top, but have a look down here. You can see the little loop on the bottom. There's also a small loop on the top and the bottom. And to show you here, resolved.